Got a brand new engine. Got about an hour worth of run time on it. Draining our fresh oil. Let's see what come apart inside this engine here. Like I said, got some headers on it. Got everything painted up. Some fresh oil coming out of there. We'll drop this oil pan down. And I guess we'll see what went on with this remanufactured engine here. So stay tuned. Got the good old 706 heads. Got them good headers on there. Let this oil drain out. See what's broken in the bottom of this engine. Alright, so I got the pan bolts off. And we'll see what we got in here once we take this off here. Got it. Oh shit. Look at there. We'll get this bed plate.
What's that? Metal?
Yeah. A brand new engine here. We'll get this bed plate off here and see what we got. Carnage look like. So I got the oil pickup tube loose. Got the 10mm off. Got the O-ring in it. Take this bed plate off. And look at that. Told him it was a rod.
Oh, rod?
Rod broke. Right there.
Damn.
Told him what it was broken.
Look like they're beating it up in their teeth.
Sure has. There we go, our brand new engine there. Oh man, that's that bitch been scarring that thing up too. You can see up in there. Wow. Yeah, this motor junk.
Damn.
Oh, that's what happened to our brand new LS engine.
Why they got writing on it?
I don't know. There goes the other piece of the rod. But like I said, be wary about what you buy from a remanufacturing shop here, because this one's probably got less than an hour run time. And this piece is everywhere.
Damn.